Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Career. This is Sandeep Sultana, and in this video, I'll be discussing ANMAT 2021 paper. This paper, which I'm going to discuss in this video, is was conducted on 6 December 2021. I'll be giving you the detailed analysis of this ANMAT paper. You'll get an idea what are the topics you're supposed to prepare if you want to get through the ANMAT paper. So let's have a look at it, guys. ANMAT 2021, which was conducted on 6 December. It had three sections, right? This is the basic structure of the paper. I'm sure everybody knows this already, that you will be having 36 questions of language skill, right? And 36 question of quantitative, 36 question of logical reasoning, every question of 3 mark, right? Time in minutes that are given to you are 28 for language skill, quantitative will be given 52, will be given 52 minutes, for logical reasoning will be given 40 minutes, right? Test taker can choose the order of the section. The question can be reviewed only once and there's no negative marking, right? These are standard information. Now, if you look at 6 December 2021 paper, and if you do the analysis of this quant section, there were around 8 questions of arithmetic. Now, it's a memory-based analysis. I took this data from one of my students who appeared for ANMAT 6 December 2021 paper. Around 8 questions from arithmetic. All questions, most of the questions of arithmetic were quite easy to solve, right? So that means if you want to handle the questions of arithmetic in the ANMAT exam, all you have to do is basics of every possible topic of arithmetic, right? I'm sure you must have prepared for CAT. So all you have to do is just watch, just do 5 to 6 questions on every concept of arithmetic, right? Quadratic equation, we have 2 easy questions, right? On quadratic, we have 2 easy questions. Inequality, 2 questions, quite easy. Number system, last 2-digit questions, 2 questions, very easy. Number system, remainder, 1 question, very easy. Data sufficiency, 4 questions, 2 easy to moderate. Combination, 3 questions, easy. Probability, 2 question, dice based, very easy. Data interpretation, pie chart, 4 question, easy because of percentage based set. And then 2 sets of bar graph based, mostly those questions were doable through visualization. 8 questions, 2 set is 1 question was easy, 1 was percentage based, right? So this is the overall analysis of 2021 ANMAT paper, guys. This was conducted on 6 December, right? This is a quant analysis. Now, how you should be preparing all this topic? Okay? You see that none of this topic is on the syllabus of CAT. You must have prepared for CAT. All you have to do is just quickly do a revision of all the topics. You're not supposed to solve the question after a certain level of difficulty for ANMAT. You can also refer to my 200 quant question series, which I'm uploading on this channel for Snap. That the funda of 200 quant question is very simple. I'm going to pick 6 to 7 questions from every topic of quantitative aptitude to help you revise important concepts, and will be telling you the methods and tricks to solve the questions quickly, because ANMAT and SNAP both are speed-based exam, right? So you have to solve the questions very, very quickly to get good percentile, and you have to attempt more than 90% of the paper, right? You have to solve more than 90% of the paper, whether it's ANMAT or whether it's SNAP, because level of difficulty of the questions are not difficult, right? There would be some moderate level of difficulty question which you might not be able to solve. But even if you target all easy questions, that will cover at least 90% of the paper, and you can easily get through the cutoff, guys, right? Talking about the next section, which is reasoning. Again, we have 26 question of reasoning. But if you talk about chapter-wise number of question, strong and weak argument, 2 question, easy to moderate. Statement conclusion, 2 question. Statement assumption, 4 question. Course of action, 4 question. 1 question of skill. 4 question of data arrangement puzzle, which was logic reasoning, right? Data arrangement, and it was very, very easy, right? It was so easy that there were only 2 variables. I mean, that question will be solved in 2 or 3 minutes, right? So 1 set of 4 questions, very easy level. And you see that input output, something that should catch your attention. There were 8 questions of input output. 2 set. One of the set was based on mathematical equations, right? I already have uploaded 100 reasoning ability questions covering questions from every topic, right? I have covered questions in this 100 reasoning ability question video, which I have uploaded. It's a 5-hour video already uploaded on my channel. I will give you the link of this video in the description part of this video. In this 100 reasoning ability question, you'll find questions regarding coding, directions, blood relations, right? You can see that there are 2 questions, easy question of direction also here. Set theory also, there are 2 questions. I have also uploaded 4-hour video of set theory on the channel. So this every topic that you see here has already been uploaded, except this critical reasoning part, right? So this is a memory-based analysis, guys, right? So these are the number of questions a student could recall from the reasoning ability, and I have given you the complete data of reasoning ability also. Now talking about the verbal section, guys, language skill. You see that there are 3 RCs of 12 questions. 2 said quite easy, 1 was moderate. Grammar, we have 5 questions, very easy to moderate. Para summary, 3 questions, easy, as per the students' feedback. Fill in the blank, 3 questions, very easy. Sentence rearrangement, 5 questions, easy to moderate. Vocab-based analogies, 3 questions, easy to solve. Idiom phrase, 1 question, very easy to solve, right? So these are the topics that you must have studied in your CAT exam preparation, or you have to target if you want to go for ANMAT exam, guys, right? So I guess you must have studied the concepts of RCs in your CAT exam preparation. I guess grammar is something that you need to study thoroughly for ANMAT. You can see here there are 5 questions coming from grammar. Then vocab-based analogy, right? You can prepare this section. Sentence rearrangement, I'm sure you must have prepared already with CAT. Fill in the blanks, again, it's a vocab-based, right? Idiom phrases, there was 1 question. I'm sure you know the standard idiom phrases, which you can easily solve, right? So this is your overall analysis of 6 December 2021 paper. Now you know the topics from where the questions are coming. For reasoning ability, guys, I'll refer you my 100 quant question series, and you can also join my Snap reasoning ability course, which I'm running at this moment on Unacademy Plus. You can also join that course, and then you can also for quant, I will suggest you my CAT courses, the basic CAT courses, right? You need to attend the foundation classes. You can attend the foundation course of data interpretation on Plus, Unacademy Plus, right? For CAT, this will help you covering those basic data interpretation coming in ANMAT. And for quant, I'm uploading this 200 quant question series covering all these topics. You can refer to that series, and or you can refer to the CAT Plus classes on Unacademy. Right. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I'm sure this will give you an idea, and you can prepare accordingly for ANMAT paper. And subscribe to the channel to get access to the reasoning ability, 100 reasoning ability questions that I have uploaded, and 200 quant questions that I'm going to upload in the coming days. 2 videos of 200 quant questions have already been uploaded. You can refer to those 2 videos also. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next part. Thanks a lot.